Hey guys, I'm just going to talk to you about how to glaze for if you're glazing at home. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward. The first thing that you want to do when you get your piece, I guess, is, well, sometimes it's a good idea to use masking tape to tape a little line around the bottom so that you have a nice neat line of where the glaze finishes. So a couple of things are super important, and the most important one is that you don't get any glaze on the bottom of your piece. If you get glaze on the bottom of your piece, you can wipe it off really easily with a sponge, but it can't stay there when it goes in the kiln because it sticks to our kiln shelves, and then things like this happen. So this is what we don't want to see. So this person has glazed their work too close to the bottom, and then it's stuck to the kiln shelf and torn half of their base off, or some of their base off, and also damages our kiln shelf. So that's not what we want to happen. So to avoid that happening, what you want to do is get your masking tape and basically just tape it around. I'm going to show you, I suppose. Tape it around, like, you don't need to tape it across the bottom like this. It's not very practical. Tape it this way, and then you can get a nice neat line as well of where you want to stop. And you just want to leave yourself like 5 mil from the bottom on the edge so that the glaze has some room to run if it does run. Okay, so if you don't care about how neat the line is, you don't have to worry about the tape. You can just stop wherever you want to stop, like this person has. Once you've got your tape on, pretty much you're just painting it like normal paint. So you just need some paintbrushes, and you want to do 2 or 3 coats of your colors. If you want a really solid color, try and do 3 coats. If you don't mind it being a little bit more washy, you can do 2. But try and do them in opposite directions. So I would do like my first coat vertically, then I would go horizontal, and then I'd go vertical again. And that way you're not going to get any brush strokes or like patches that are lighter than other patches. Try and make sure that the coat dries in between each layer, but it'll probably dry super quick, so it will probably have done that already by the time you get back around to the front. In terms of colors and things like that, you can ask us any questions you like, or you can just pop in and ask us some questions when you pick up your glaze. If you're coming to the studio to pick up your bisque work from the kiln, then just bring a jar with you and you can buy any colours you like. Yeah, you can layer glazes and do whatever you want, but that's probably something that you should ask us in person.